Our solar system. The Sun is a huge ball of hot, glowing gases. It is the only star in our solar system. The hottest part of the Sun is its center or core. The gases burn and boil all the time. The light from the gases is so bright that if we look directly at the Sun, we will hurt our eyes. Since ancient times, people have been using the Sun to locate places and to find their way back if they get lost. The rays of the Sun provide the energy for every living thing on Earth. Plants use the energy from the Sun to prepare food for themselves. In the process of making food, they release oxygen, which animals and we breathe. Man uses the energy from Sun, that is, solar energy, to run various appliances. The word solar is derived from the Latin word sol, which means sun. Solar energy refers to anything that uses or operates with the sun's energy.
Planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around a star. For example, Sun in their own particular path called the orbit. The orbit is elliptical or oval in shape. They do not have light of their own. We see them shining because they reflect the light of the star around which they revolve.
Because they are all at different distances from the Sun, each one takes a different length of time to revolve once. There are 8 planets in our solar system, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They vary greatly in size. Mercury is the smallest and Jupiter is the largest. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has life. Next is the Moon and the satellites. The Moon is our Earth's partner in space. It orbits the Earth. The surface of the Moon has many deep holes called craters. There are rocky mountains and flat areas also. We can see it brightly in the night sky because it reflects the light of the Sun. It does not produce light of its own. During the day, the Sun's light is far too bright, so the Moon, though present in the sky, is not visible. And even if we can see it, it is not as bright as it is during the night. The Moon is Earth's satellite. A satellite is a body that orbits around a planet. The word comes from a Latin word which means attendant. There are many natural satellites in the solar system. Scientists call them moon. As of now, among the inner planets, Mercury and Venus have no moons. Earth has one and Mars has two. Among the outer planets, Jupiter has 50, Saturn has 53, Uranus has 27, and Neptune has 13. Thus, making a total of 146 moons.
Man's conquest of space began on 4th October 1957 when USSR launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to circle the Earth. It was about the size of a large beach ball. In November 1957, Sputnik 2 had a real live companion, the dog Laika.
Artificial satellites are important for scientific research. Both natural and artificial satellites move around their parent planets in oval paths. The gravitational pull of the planets keep their satellites in orbit.
Phases of the Moon. The Moon is a non-luminous heavenly body. We can see it only because the sun's light illuminates it. The Moon revolves round the Earth, which in turn revolves round the Sun. As a result, the Moon at times comes between the Earth and the Sun, while at other times the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon. This change in position of the Moon between the Sun and the Earth creates the phases of the Moon.
The phases are named depending on the appearance of the Moon. That is, whether its size is increasing or decreasing each day. The phases are named as new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter or half moon, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter or half moon, waning crescent, which is the last phase, after which comes the next new moon.
Stars. A star is an unimaginably large sphere, like a ball, of hot burning gases that gives out heat and light. Our Sun is a star. Some stars in the universe are much bigger than the Sun. They appear as very small points of light in the sky because they are very far from the Earth.
Stars vary in size, brightness, and color. The hotter the star gets, its color changes. The coolest stars are red. As the temperature increases, they appear yellow, then white, and the hottest stars are blue. Lastly, constellations. A constellation is a group of stars that seem to form a pattern or shape in the sky. On a clear night, we can see constellations. ancient people had named these constellations after animals and mythological characters. There are 88 known constellations in the sky. Some common ones are the Big Dipper, Leo, the Great Bear, Orion, Cygnus, and Hercules. Wasn't it interesting to know all about our solar system?